Hello everyone, George here with Heatshield. Today I'll be showing you on how to install the two-piece windshield heat shield on the new Tesla Cybertruck. Now that you have the suction cups installed on the top portion heat shield, let's go ahead and install it. Let's start by grabbing the bottom portion without the suction cups, unroll it across the dashboard, tuck the heat shield into the dashboard. Ensure that the sides of the heat shields are aligned with the side pillars. Grab the top portion heat shield. Unroll the heat shield across the dash. Now we'll be tucking this top portion heat shield in between the bottom heat shield and the dash, like such. Let's go ahead and place the factory sun visors to the side. Align the top portion of the heat shield across the headliner on one side. Secure the placement of the heat shield with the sun visor. Same thing for the passenger side. Use the sun visor in place. Now we'll be focusing on the suction cups by applying pressure on the suction cup. And there you have it.